Many HP printers are set to automatically install firmware updates. This can sometimes mean that compatible cartridges will stop working. Firmware updates can sometimes block the use of compatible cartridges. Turning off automatic updates is a good way to protect your cartridges from firmware problems in the future. If your printer has a touchscreen, start by swiping down to open the printer menu, then press the cog to open the setup menu. Scroll down and select Printer Maintenance. Scroll down again to update the printer. Then select Printer Update Options. Press Do Not Check. A message will appear asking if you want to turn on printer updates. Press No to continue. If you have a model without a touchscreen, the steps are slightly different. Press OK to access the main menu, then press OK again to access the setup menu. Using the arrow buttons, scroll across to Printer Maintenance and press OK. Using the arrows once more, scroll to Update Firmware and then press OK. Press OK once more, then scroll to Update and press OK again. Scroll to Off, then press OK. A message will appear asking if you want to check for updates. Press the red X to exit. Automatic updates are now disabled, and you'll be able to continue using your compatible cartridges without any issues.